In this video, I will show you how to check for restriction in Alipay account. Open up your Alipay app. Click on account. Click on setting icon. Click on user protection center. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on disable payment features. Then here you go. If there is any restriction on your account, it's going to be stated right here. So at the time of making this video, there are no security restriction on the account. You can go ahead and click on check account security. Click on account security check. Then here you go. You'll be given security details about your account, such as account security, default security, insurance, biometric authentication, security functions. Everything look good. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.